le prince Harry a lutté avec un « sens de la vie et de l'orientation » après avoir quitté l'armée, car davantage aurait pu être fait pour se tailler son rôle de deuxième sur le trône. Le prince Harry s'est senti sans but après avoir terminé son temps dans l'armée, le laissant virer le chemin alors qu'il luttait pour s'adapter à la vie en tant que membre actif de la famille royale. Un expert royal a suggéré que plus aurait pu être fait pour aider le duc de Sussex après son départ de l'armée en 2015. Richard Eden told Palace Confidential on Mail Plus, I think what happened with Harry is that he threw himself into the armed force and they loved that, and I think he found his real mission in life there. That came to an end and that was when it got awkward and a bit like it had with Prince Andrew Howell. The army was so good at giving him that sense of life and direction and order and it's really difficult when that ends. He added, more could have been done possibly to carve out a role for the second in line to the throne. Royal expert Charlotte Griffiths agreed, saying he don't think Harry made it that easy for them. The army was the best thing that happened to him, I don't think they should have let him leave the army. I don't know what the circumstances were around him leaving but when he seemed to veer off the path. Prince Harry spent 10 years in the armed force, after joining Sandhurst in 2005. During his time in the army, he served 2 tours in Afghanistan and rose to the rank of captain. He was left disappointed in 2007 when army chiefs decided against sending him to Iraq due to unacceptable risk but was later allowed on tour to Afghanistan. During his second tour, he worked as an Apache helicopter pilot, eventually qualifying as an Apache commander in 2013. He said that his time in the army was a normal it is going to get for him. He left the army in 2015 to become a full-time working royal, saying that his time in the military would stay with me for the rest of my life. Following his departure, he became a patron for a number of military-related organizations, including Walking with the Wounded for injured veterans. His most notable achievement was the Invictus Games, a Paralympic steel event for ex-servicemen and women. The royal family have a long connection with the British Armed Force. Prince William also spent several years in the army and Prince Andrew served in the Falklands War.